In this video, I'll show you how to make PDF in laptop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. First of all, open your browser and type here I love PDF just like this and then hit enter. So this website will open, which is called as www.ilovepdf.com. We need to open it up and just click on convert to PDF, which you can see at the top. And here we have the option JPG to PDF, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, and many more are there. So whichever you want to select, you can just do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make PDF of images. So for that, we need to click on JPG to PDF. And once you do that, we will get the option for select JPG images. So just click here, and from here you can just select the images which you want to convert them into PDF. So I want to convert these 4 photos into PDF, so I just need to select them and just hit on open. And yeah, you can see these are my 4 images which I want to convert into PDF. So if you want to change their order, you can do that as well. Just hold your left click and just drag the image toward left right according to your order. So I want the boy image on the first page, so I can just hold left click and drag this image to the first. So similarly, you can just do this with all of your images. And once you do that, if you are sure about your order, here you will get couple of more options, such as if you want to set the page orientation on portrait or landscape, you can just do that. But generally people prefer this portrait, so I'm just going with the portrait. And here you can just change your page size. If you want to add a margin, you can just do that. And right here we need to tick this box if you want to convert all the images into single PDF. Then just click on convert PDF. Here we have to wait for some time until our downloading gets started. And if it is not started automatically, you can just click on the download PDF button. Once your download is finished, just locate to the folder where you have downloaded the file. So it is in my download folder, so I just need to locate there and just open this PDF which we have downloaded. And there you go, you can see the PDF is successfully created and it is in the way I want. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can make PDF in laptop. Now can you please subscribe me? If I was a big help, I would really appreciate that. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.